Hey fellow Dota 2 fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to teach you about Linken Sphere and its uses. Linken Sphere is an item in Dota 2 which costs around 4800 gold to build. The items required to build it are Ultimate Orb, Perseverance, and Linken Sphere Recipe. It provides several useful effects for the players who buy it. Essentially, Linken Sphere gives player a spell block ability, which I'm gonna demo it for you. As you can see, it blocked the spell and went on cooldown. It has a cooldown of 14 seconds. Additionally, you can also transfer the spell block ability to your allies, like so. Also, it grants 16 stats in all attributes, 4.25 mana regeneration, and 6 health regen, making it a versatile defensive item for certain heroes. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!